Hello everyone, welcome to the Photoshop tutorial of Marquee's channel. So today we're going to look into some of the basic tools in Photoshop. Let's begin. So under the retouching and painting tools, we're going to look upon the color replacement tool. So let's use this tool with an example. You can select the color replacement tool from the toolbar by right clicking on the brush tool. A dialog box appears and you can select the color replacement tool in that. After selecting the tool, we're going to look upon an example. So here is the symbol. So this is the mechanism of color replacement tool. It changes or replaces a pre-existing color into another one. Fine, let's get started. So the first and the foremost procedure as soon as you select the tool is you have to check with the size. So I would prefer to choose a larger brush size for quicker painting. Then the second one is the hardness. So this time we're going to check on the hardness. That is, when the hardness is higher, you may experience a slighter difficult in flow while painting the color. Okay. So that is when a brush with less hardness is painted, it gives you ease in flow. But that doesn't suit for a brush with more hardness. So give a check that the hardness is less before using it. Fine. So finished with the settings, we'll move on to the procedure. So we're going to choose the color, what we're going to replace the pre-existing color of the logo. I'm going to select a regular and popular color. So to select the color, the first step is that we have to select click on the foreground color. So the color picker dialog box appears. So we can choose the color from the color box or we can choose it from the color libraries. So I'm going to choose the red color from the color library, or you can also choose it over here. So I'm going to paint the symbol, that is replace the color blue with red. So I've started my work. As you can see the difference that the color blue is being transformed into red. As you can keenly observe it, right? So after finishing with the color, that is replacing the color, you can indulge a great setting. That is, you can reduce or increase the tolerance of the shade. That is, you can try it with the different color methods, and this may help you in lots of procedures. Fine. So as of now, we have changed the color of the symbol, and we have learned how to use the color replacement tool. That is, to replace the color. Fine. So let's catch up in the next video. Do follow our tutorial for more ideas. Do subscribe and like our channel, and share your comment in the chat box. Thank you.